Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which mammal has no vocal cord? Option A rabbit, B giraffe, C kangaroo and D bear. The correct answer is giraffe. The giraffe is the only mammal that does not have vocal cords. This means the giraffe cannot make loud sound like other animals. Question number 2. Which of the following country has the longest overland tunnel? A. Germany, B. Switzerland, C. France and D. Spain. The correct answer is Switzerland. The Lochberg-based tunnel in Switzerland is currently the world's longest tunnel and accommodates passenger and freight train. Question number 3. Who gave the slogan Delhi Chalo? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. G.K. Gokhale, C. Subhash Chandra Bose and D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, gave the slogan Delhi Chalo. He gave a speech in Singapore on July 6, 1943. The speech was a call to arms for Indian National Army to march on Delhi and liberate India from British rule. Question number 4. How many eyes does a honeybee have? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4 and D. 5. The correct answer is 5. The honeybee has 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes and 3 small ocelli eyes in the center of its head. Compound eyes, these eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses that work together to create a wider image. Ocelli eyes, located in the triangular pattern on top of the bee's head, these eyes detect light but not shapes. Question number 5. Which fruit has the highest oil content? A. Olive oil, B. avocado, C. coconut and D. almond. The correct answer is avocado. Question number 6. When does the sun shine vertically on the equator? Option A. Once a year, B. 4-6 months, C. throughout the year and D. twice a year. The correct answer is twice a year. When the sun is vertically above the equator, the day is of equal length of all over Earth. This happens twice a year and these are the equinoxes in March and September. Question number 7. Who propounded the theory of economic drain of India during British imperialism? A. V.C. Banerjee, B. Gandhiji, C. Dadabhai Naoroji and D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji mentioned the concept of drain of wealth from India during British rule. In this book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, he made an estimate of drain which was around 8 million. Question number 8. Which is the hottest place on Earth? A. Atacama, Peru, B. Al Ajia, Libya and C. Death Valley, California and D. Jacobabad, Pakistan. The correct answer Al Ajia, Libya. Al Ajia had the distinction of having recorded a high temperature of 57.8 degrees Celsius in 1922, which was long considered the highest temperature ever measured on the Earth. However, the World Meteorological Organization in September 2012 announced that the world record of hottest temperature is now 56.7 degrees Celsius, record on 10th July 1913 at Greenland Ranch in Death Valley, California, USA. Question number 9. Which fruit is known as Chinese gooseberry? A. Kiwi, B. Lychee, C. Rambutan, and D. Dragon fruit. The correct answer is kiwi. Question number 10. In which year did field hockey made its debut in the Olympics? A. 1896, B. 1908, C. 1924, and D. 1936. The correct answer is 1908. Question number 11. The first steam engine used for pumping water from mine shaft was invented in 1711 by James Watt, B. Matthew Boulton, C. Thomas Newcomb, and D. William Black. The correct answer is Thomas Newcomb. Question number 12. What do we call the period of ancient Greece history that occurred before Greek introduced democracy? A. Monarchy period, B. Hellenistic period, and C. Archaic period, and D. Classical period. The correct answer is Archaic period. The Archaic period in Greece history lasted from around 800 BC to 480 BC. When the second Persian invasion of Greek occurred, it came after the Greek Dark Ages and was followed by the Classical period. Question number 13. The original name of Swami Vivekananda was? Option A. Narendra Datta, B. Bateshwar Datta, C. Krishna Datta, and D. Surendra Datta. The correct answer is Narendranath Datta. Question number 14. After the 1850, who led the invention and commercialization of electricity? A. Britain, B. France, C. Belgium and France, and D. Germany and United States. The correct answer is Germany and United States. Question number 15. Which of the following is the most elastic in nature? A. Rubber, B. Wet clay, C. Steel, and D. Plastic. The correct answer is steel. Elasticity is the property of material to return to its original shape after a deformation force is removed. Steel is more elastic than other material because it has a steep linear stress-strain curve and a higher elastic modulus. Question number 16. Which of the following term is associated with basketball? A. Uppercut, B. Penalty corner, C. Flagrant fall, and D. Bicycle kick. The correct answer is flagrant fall. In basketball, flagrant fall is a personal foul that involves excessive or violent contact that could injure the fallen player. Flagrant fall can be international or uninternational, but not all international fall are flagrant fall. Question number 17. Which is called the Lake District of India? A. Nainital, B. Simla, C. Sikkim, and D. Mathran. The correct answer is Nainital. Nainital is called the Lake District of India due to its abundance of beautiful lakes and scenic landscape. Located in the state of the Uttarakhand, Nainital is a popular hill station and a major tourist destination in India. Question number 18. In West Bengal, Raniganj is associated with A. Copper, B. Manganese ore, C. Iron ore, and D. Coal field. The correct answer is coal field. Raniganj in West Bengal is associated with coal mining and India's second largest coal field in terms of reserves. Coal mining began in Raniganj in 1774 when the two British East India Company employees discovered coal near Ithora. Raniganj was the first place in India to begin coal mining. Raniganj is also known as for the high quality cooking coal which has a long flame and high heat value. Question number 19. The daily weather map of India is prepared and printed at A. Kolkata, B. Mumbai, C. Pune, and D. New Delhi. The correct answer is Pune. The daily weather map of India is prepared and printed at the National Data Center of India Meteorological Department in Pune, Maharashtra. Pune is known for its weather forecasting center and advanced meteorological facilities, making it an ideal location for this task. Question number 20. Which of the following is known as vitamin B1? A. Retinol, B. Riboflavin, C. Ascorbic acid, and D. Thiamine. The correct answer is thiamine. Question number 21. The building of the Suez Canal result from the economic and the political involvement in Egypt of A. Britain, B. France and Italy, C. Russia and France, and D. Britain and France. The correct answer is Britain and France. Question number 22. Which plant is called herbal Indian doctor? A. Amla, B. Tulsi, C. Mango, and D. Neem. The correct answer is Amla. The Indian gooseberry, also known as Amla, is called the herbal Indian doctor because of its many medical properties. Amla is high in vitamin C, antioxidant, vitamin A, and a flavonoid. Amla can help with digestion, boost the immune system, and improve skin health. Question number 23. Which among the following is also called as a powerhouse of the cells? A. Placid, B. Mitochondria, C. Golgi bodies, and D. Cell wall. The correct answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cell organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because it is responsible for extracting energy from food through cellular respiration. The energy released in the form of adenosine triphosphate yani ATP. Question number 24. In which year did the Titanic ship sink? A. 1914, B. 1916, C. 1922, and D. 1912. The correct answer is 1912. Question number 25. Who painted the famous artwork The Persistence of Memory? A. Pablo Picasso, B. Claudio Monte, C. Salvador Dali, and D. Vincent van Gogh. The correct answer is Salvador Dali. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.